Okay, so we're continuing the series of Elementary Principles of Chemical Processes, 3rd edition. We're going to be doing problem number 2.9. 2.9 states, a waste treatment pond is 50 meters long and 15 meters wide and has an average depth of 2 meters. The density of the waste is 85.3 pounds mass per feet cubed. Calculate the weight of the pond contents in pounds force using a single dimensional equation for your calculation. Okay, so let's start writing down what we know from the problem. We know that the pond has a distance, a length of 50 meters. We know that it has a width of 15 meters, and it has a height of about 2 meters. We know that the waste density is about 85.3 pounds mass per feet cubed. Okay, so we need to know what the volume of the pond is. And good thing they gave us all the dimensions, xp, yp, and zp. And that equals 1,500 meters cubed. Okay, now we need to know the total mass of the water in there. Mass equals the volume times the density. And that is equal to 1,500 meters 3, 85.3 pounds mass per feet cubed. We need to convert the feet into meters. There we go. And this equals 4.52 times 10 to the 6 pounds mass. Now, if you watched the last video, you would know that pounds mass converts into pounds force in a 1-to-1 ratio. So the quick answer is when we convert this to pounds force, it's not going to change. We're going to get the same number. But let's go through the calculations here one more time so you guys can see that actually works. The force equals the mass times the acceleration. The acceleration is the acceleration due to gravity when you're calculating the weight of something. And the acceleration due to gravity we can use as 9.81 meters per second squared. Okay, there's also this important calculation where 32.174 pounds mass per second squared times feet is equal to 1 pounds force. Okay, so now we calculate the force. We get the mass times the acceleration, which equals, we just calculated what the mass was. It is 4.52 times 10 to the 6 pounds mass. Okay, then we know that the gravity is 9.81 meters per second squared. We just did meters to feet correction. Meters per foot. And then we'll continue on down here. With seconds squared over 32.174 pounds mass times feet is equal to 1 pounds foot. Okay, so our pounds mass, our meters cancel, our second squared cancels, pounds mass cancels with that one up there, our feet cancel up there, and we're left with just the pounds force. And this equals You guessed it. 4.52 times 10 to the 6, the same thing that we started with. It's nice that pounds force and pounds mass have that connection in that way. All right, so this is your final answer. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and if you noticed any errors that I made in the calculations, just let me know and I will put them in the video description. Thank you.